Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best affordable drone with camera you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Drones have become increasingly popular over the years, and for good reason. With advancements in technology, these gadgets have become more accessible and affordable, making them a popular choice for photography enthusiasts, hobbyists, and even professionals. One of the most sought-after features of drones is their ability to capture stunning aerial footage. However, with so many options available in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this blog, we will explore some of the best affordable drones with cameras, and what features to consider when making your selection. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best affordable drone with camera. Let's begin. At number 6 is Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini. Drones are becoming more and more popular among people of all ages as they offer a unique perspective that allows us to see the world from a different angle. However, drones can often be expensive, making it a luxury item for many people. Fortunately, Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini has made it possible for everyone to own a drone with a camera at an affordable price. The Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini drone is a small and compact drone that is perfect for beginners and those on a budget. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it easy to fly both indoors and outdoors. This drone also has a high-quality camera that captures stunning images and videos. One of the main advantages of the Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini drone is its affordability. Many drones on the market can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, making it a luxury item that only a few can afford. However, the Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini drone is priced at a fraction of the cost of many other drones, making it a more accessible option for many people. In addition to its affordable price, the Cheerwing Sima X20 Mini drone is also very user-friendly. It comes with a remote control that is intuitive and easy to use, allowing even beginners to fly it with ease. The drone is equipped with a range of features such as altitude hold, which allows the drone to hover in place, and one-key takeoff and landing, which makes it easy to launch and land the drone. At number 5 is Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is easy to fly, even for beginners. It has multiple intelligent flight modes, such as Orbit, Waypoint, and Follow Me, which allow you to capture unique shots and footage. It also has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes, so you can capture plenty of footage without needing to stop and recharge too often. One of the standout features of the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is its compact and foldable design. When folded, it can easily fit into a backpack or purse, making it a great option for travel and outdoor adventures. In addition, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus has a range of up to 4.3 miles and can fly up to 45 miles per hour, so you can capture footage from a variety of distances and heights. The drone also comes with a remote controller that has a built-in 3.3-inch OLED display, which allows you to see what the camera is capturing in real time. You can also use the Autel Explorer app to control the drone and view your footage on your phone or tablet. Overall, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is an excellent option for those looking for an affordable drone with a camera that still offers impressive features and capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, this drone is sure to impress. At number 4 is DJI Mavic 3. The world of aerial photography and videography has been revolutionized by the introduction of drones equipped with high-quality cameras. The DJI Mavic series has been a popular choice among drone enthusiasts, and the latest addition to the series, the DJI Mavic 3, promises to take this experience to the next level while keeping the price tag affordable. The DJI Mavic 3 boasts an impressive 4K camera that can capture stunning aerial footage with ease. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth and steady footage, even in windy conditions. Additionally, the camera has a 20-megapixel sensor that captures images with incredible detail and clarity. What sets the DJI Mavic 3 apart from its predecessors is its extended flight time. The drone can stay airborne for up to 45 minutes, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage without worrying about battery life. The drone also has an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers, giving you the freedom to explore and capture footage from a distance. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 3 is its obstacle avoidance system. The drone uses a combination of sensors and cameras to detect obstacles in its path and automatically avoids them. This means you can focus on capturing footage without worrying about crashing into trees, buildings, or other obstacles. At number 3 is DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a game changer when it comes to affordable drones with camera capabilities. This small yet powerful drone packs a punch, capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Whether you're a professional videographer or just looking to capture some breathtaking shots on your next vacation, the DJI Mini 2 is an excellent choice. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 2 is its size. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this drone is incredibly lightweight and portable. It's small enough to fit in your backpack or even your pocket, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Despite its small size, the DJI Mini 2 is incredibly durable, with the ability to withstand bumps and scrapes during flights. The camera on the DJI Mini 2 is also impressive. It's capable of capturing 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, as well as 12-megapixel photos. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which helps to stabilize footage and reduce unwanted movement. Additionally, the DJI Mini 2 has a range of up to 10 kilometers, allowing you to capture footage from far away. The DJI Mini 2 also has a number of intelligent features that make flying and capturing footage a breeze. One of these features is Quick Shot, which allows you to capture professional-looking footage with just a few taps. There are 4 different modes to choose from, including Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket. Each mode will capture a different type of shot, making it easy to get the footage you want without having to spend hours setting up shots. At number 2 is DJI Mini 3 Pro. Drones are becoming more and more popular these days, and for good reason. With their ability to capture stunning aerial footage and provide a unique perspective on the world, it's no wonder that they are becoming a must-have accessory for photographers and videographers everywhere. However, many people are put off by the high price tag that often accompanies quality drones. That's where the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes in. This affordable drone with a camera offers all the features and capabilities that you need to capture amazing footage, without breaking the bank. One of the best things about the DJI Mini 3 Pro is its affordability. Compared to other drones on the market, it is significantly less expensive, making it accessible to a wider range of users. However, don't let the price fool you, this drone packs a serious punch when it comes to performance. With a 4K camera that can shoot at 60 frames per second, you can capture stunning high-quality footage with ease. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, which ensures steady and smooth footage even when the drone is moving around. Now moving to the last one is DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is an affordable drone with an impressive camera that will take your photography and videography to the next level. DJI, the world leader in drone technology, has done it again with the DJI Air 2S. This drone is an upgrade of the DJI Mavic Air 2, which was released in 2020. The DJI Air 2S is an incredible drone that offers amazing features and capabilities at an affordable price. One of the most impressive features of the DJI Air 2S is its camera. The drone comes with a 1-inch CMOS sensor that has the ability to capture 20-megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. The camera also has a 4x digital zoom, which allows you to get closer to your subject without having to move the drone. The camera is stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, which ensures that your footage is always smooth and stable. Another great feature of the DJI Air 2S is its obstacle avoidance system. The drone has sensors on the front, back, and bottom that help it avoid obstacles. This feature is especially useful for beginners who are still learning how to fly a drone. The obstacle avoidance system also makes it easier to fly the drone in tight spaces or areas with a lot of obstacles. So guys, this was the video about the best affordable drone with camera. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.